Today I'm going to show you how I cut a pineapple. Now it's to be noted, this is not for rings, but is for chunks. Also, at the end I'm going to show you there is a little bit of waste. So let's get started. Now the first thing we do is going to lay it on our side, and we're going to use our knife and just cut off the top and bottom. Preferably a sharp knife. Got a little bit of rot going on there, but that's okay. Gonna set it on end, and we're gonna cut it into quarters. Now we're gonna take one of our quarters here, and we're gonna stand it on end again, and we're gonna slice out the center section. I forget what this is called, but we're just gonna. There's a little bit of rot here, but we're just gonna slice off that corner on each one. You may notice when I cut it, depending on how deep you go, you may hit some of the inner part. That's the firmer part here. And then if you go deep enough, you'll go down to the actual fruit as opposed to the core. So you just wanna feel it with your knife, and you can feel where the core is. So after that, we just wanna slice it our width of our chunks. It doesn't have to be perfect. I just go however I feel like it for all my pieces. And this is doing one of two things. Oh, there's a bad piece here. First of all, it's cutting our chunks, and if you notice, it's having the pineapple to lay flat as opposed to the curvature of the pineapple. Now that the pineapple is laying flat to the countertop, we can just go across, cut across the pineapple such as this. I'm just giving you a side view here. So that's what we're going to do now. So we're just going to take it easy. Trim across, move my hand out the way. And then we have a tray of pineapple. We're just going to cut it a couple times here. And one here. And that's ready for the bowl. Now the waste comes in with the pineapple that's still attached to the skin, as you can see here. It is a little bit. If we want, we can try to trim it out some more. But that's the waste I'm talking about. Let me do another one for you. So we're going to take it here. Just trim across. So you should be cutting from skin to skin. Here, let me stop here, so you can see what I'm actually doing with the pineapple. Oh, so we can put this back together and cut our, oops, getting a little slippery here. It's easier when it's all together, but I just took it apart to show you the cross section of the pineapple. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below, or if you want, you can subscribe. I'm trying to put up more videos with the amount of time that I have during this pandemic.